Okay, so in today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to prevent burn-in on your new LG G1 OLED TV. So one of the worries and concerns that people have whenever they buy one of these OLED TVs is the possibility of getting burn-in on your TV when you leave an image on there for too long, thus ruining your TV. So I'm going to show you the setting that LG has implemented inside their TV to prevent this. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is grab your remote control. Alright, so now that you got your remote control here, there's a settings button right here on your remote. Go ahead and press on that. Alright, so once your settings is up, you're going to want to go all the way down here on the sidebar to all settings and then click on that. And then that'll bring up a new menu here that says support. So go down all the way there down to support. You'll click on that, and then on this new list here, you're going to want to go to OLED screensaver, which is the second option. You'll click on that, and then right here you'll see where it says screen move. Screen move moves little by little at regular intervals, preventing the screen from occurring a problem when a TV is on for a long period of time, which really means burn-in. So make sure that that setting is on right there. As you can see, you can turn it off and then turn it on, but that'll help to prevent any kind of burn-in that it might occur on your OLED TV. So yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.